In this video, we'll show you how to migrate your Airtable base to SeaTable using our native Airtable migration feature. All you need is an Airtable personal access token for the Airtable API and your Airtable base ID. A quick note beforehand. The Airtable API doesn't allow access to assets like forms and interfaces. These won't be migrated. This is my Airtable base that I want to migrate. We have 3 tables: people with all project team members, projects with their linked tasks, and of course, the tasks table. You can also see formulas and rollups here. That will be important later. Where do you get your token? Open airtable.com/create/tokens. If you haven't created a token yet, you'll see a blank page. Click on Create Token and give the token a name. Next, you need to add scopes. These define what the token is allowed to do. For the base migration, you need at least data.records:read and schema.bases:read. Then you add your base and click Create Token again. An important note: save the token immediately. Once you close this window, it won't be shown again. Next, we need the Airtable base ID. The base ID is part of your base URL. It starts with app right after the first slash and ends at the next /. Okay, we now have our token and our base ID, and we go to SeaTable, add a new base, and choose Import from Airtable. We paste our access token and our base ID, give our new base a name, and click Import. This will take a moment now, depending on the size of your base. Okay, now we have our new base, Project Management. And we see the same tables as in our Airtable base. People with the columns type, photo, and tasks. Projects with the linked tasks. And here we see that the formulas need to be reconfigured. The same goes for tasks. Now we have a 4th table, columns to be migrated manually. And we see the rollup and lookup columns from our projects and tasks tables listed there, which weren't migrated and need to be recreated. But this table gives a clear overview of what's missing. Other than that, we now have a clean copy of our Airtable base in SeaTable, and the whole process is now much faster and much easier than before.